going. Yeehaw! So it's about 6 p.m., January 12th. I am aboard Towboat Scout near Titusville on my way to unground a 30-foot Bristol. Small craft warnings. Scout is not the best rough water boat in our fleet. Let's see how I do. Notice that I'm wearing earplugs because being inside of Scout is like being inside of a drum. It'll be a little smoother on the way home. I got to back her down a little bit. Can't take much more of this beating.
One eternity later.
Hey, this is Chris. I'm right off your side here, correct? Okay. Unfortunately, my depth gauge isn't working. What I'm going to do? Do you have a boat hook, a pole? Okay, I'm going to get my bridle ready, and I'm going to pass by and hand you the rope. Yeah. Do you? Yes. Do you have one or two cleats on your bow? Okay. We're going to put one on each side. You just need to lay the loop over the cleat. Do you have a VHF radio? Okay, tune to channel 18. I'll throw it. Make sure it's under your bow rails. All right, just leave one. Do you have a life jacket on? This is towboat. Which direction are we going in?
To the railroad bridge, Anchorage, please.
Okay. While we're going, does your engine run and do you have steering and all?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Make sure that your rudder is straight, and just follow along as best you can.
Roger that. Can you not go real fast because my scuppers will take on water and cause my cockpit.
Gotcha. Is this speed okay?
Yeah, this is fine.
2 hours later.
Okay, so pretty much anywhere off to your starboard side here, outside of the channel, is the anchorage. If you keep looking, you can probably see some masts in there.
Okay, yeah, I see this, man. Can you get me someplace safe?
Yeah, this is pretty much it. If you see off to your port side here, you see there's some boats in there. They don't have lights on their masts.
Oh, they don't, do they? Okay.
So I think the best thing to do here is give yourself just a slight amount of port rudder and then come up to the bow. I'll go into neutral and you can just drop my line.
Roger that.
Yes, we are. You see the white sign directly in front of you where my strobe light is reflecting off of? Probably get close to that.
I don't see a white sign.
It's directly in front of me. my strobe is bouncing off of it. It's one of those no wake signs or slow speed signs directly in front of me. I think you're good anywhere here.
All right, I think I'm going to drop the hook right here. Thank you very much, Captain Chris.
My pleasure. I'll just stand by here until your anchor is set.